Okay, final tally for the shutters that we have to fix. Definitely these two have to be purchased new. And the size is 18 inches by 59 inches. Yeah, 18, 59. So we need two that are 18 by 59. Okay, moving along over here. This one is good. Paint on it is thin. When the paint is thin, it means they're going to rot. It'd be smart to put a coat of finish over the top of that. But okay. This one here's got to be fixed. This is at the point where it could be saved. I could get a piece of wood into this one. Unscrew this. Let's see what size this is anyways. It could make more sense to buy it. 59 by 18. Okay. Might be a good idea to go to get another set of 18 by 59. We could change that one out and this one out. This one's starting to show signs. It's all checking and cracking, and that's not going to be long for working. I mean, we could try saving it with paint, but it's pretty much on its way out. So far we see we need 4 shutters, 18 by 59. Seems like all these little narrow guys are good. Good. Nothing over here. One season we definitely should scrape and paint the back of the house here. Just that little chunk there. It's probably gets southern exposure and is all baked. I'm going to go with these are good. So far there's 4 18 by 59. These are questionable. These are questionable. These are 18. Let's see what the... These are definitely 18s also. They don't look like they're 59 though. Easy. Come on. Too nice. Too nice. Oh boy. Got it. I can't see it. It's 2 inches below 4 feet. 2 inches below 4 feet. 2 inches below 4 feet is 46 inches. Yeah, those were shorter. Those guys are 46 inches. 18 by 46. We need like 2 of those. That one's not very nice, and that one's not very nice. So that's 6 all day. 6 shutters all day. All right. These are 55 by 55 by 18. 55 by 18. So now we have a third size. How many 55 by 18s do we need? That's definitely on its way out. This one is okay. Let's just say that one definitely. All right, so we definitely need, they're sold by sets. So far I see two 18 by 55s. That one and that one if I was going to be a minimalist. These guys are all right. Shoot, I even see a tag on this one. I see a tag right there on that one. These are new. All right, so we need two more. Might even be a good idea to just have two sets. If I have two sets, I could do both of these and that one. That's so weird. All of these are brand new until we get to that one. These three are not. All right, that one's got to be replaced. These two should be replaced. That's it. I'll make a tally of what everything is, and that's how we'll proceed. Done.